The Nikon COOLPIX P950 is a versatile bridge camera with a built-in zoom lens, while the Nikon 50mm/1.8G AF-S NIKKOR FX Lens is a prime lens that requires an interchangeable lens camera such as a Nikon DSLR. Below, I will provide a comprehensive guide for mastering zoom photography with each setup, using the Nikon COOLPIX P950. Power on the camera. Turn on your Nikon COOLPIX P950 by rotating the power switch. Adjust the zoom. Use the zoom toggle switch located on the right side of the lens barrel. Push the switch towards the T, telephoto, to zoom in and towards the W, wide, to zoom out. Set the camera mode. Rotate the mode dial to select your desired shooting mode, like auto, program, aperture priority, shutter priority, or manual. Focus on your subject. Half-press the shutter button to focus on your subject. The camera will autofocus on the subject in the center of the frame or based on your focus area settings. Stabilize the camera. Use a tripod or ensure you have a steady hand, especially when using the extreme zoom capabilities to avoid camera shake. Take the photo. Fully press the shutter button to take the photo. Review the photo. Press the playback button to review your photo on the camera's LCD screen. Using the Nikon 50mm f/1.8G AF-S NIKKOR FX lens with a Nikon DSLR. Alright, now let's attach the lens to the camera. First, align the white dot on the lens with the white dot on the camera body's lens mount. Then turn the lens clockwise until it clicks into place. It's that simple. Next, we need to power on the camera. To do this, turn on your Nikon DSLR by rotating the power switch. Easy, right? Finally, let's set the camera mode. Rotate the mode dial to select your desired shooting mode. You can choose from options like aperture priority, shutter priority, manual, or program. Just pick the one that suits your needs. Adjust the aperture. If you're using aperture priority or manual mode, you'll want to adjust the aperture using the command dial. A lower f number like f1.8 will give you a shallow depth of field, which is just perfect for portraits. Focus on your subject. To focus, half-press the shutter button. The 50mm f1.8G lens has a fast and accurate autofocus system. But, if you need to, you can also switch to manual focus using the switch on the lens barrel. Compose your shot. Use the viewfinder or the live view on the LCD screen to compose your shot. Since the 50mm lens is a prime lens, you'll need to physically move closer or farther from your subject to adjust the framing. Fully press the shutter button to capture the image. Press the playback button to review your photo on the camera's LCD screen. Ensure you have adequate lighting, especially when using higher zoom levels or smaller apertures. Adjust the ISO settings to control the camera's sensitivity to light. Higher ISO settings are useful in low light but can introduce noise. Use a tripod or stabilize your camera using a stable surface to avoid blurry images, especially in low light or at high zoom levels. Practice using different settings and compositions to get comfortable with your equipment and to achieve the best possible photos. Happy shooting and thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.